Hey guys, JD from Eastwood. I've been using the MIG 250 a lot for my CB750 Cafe Racer. Good reason for that. Not only is it a great welder, featuring the latest MOSFET inverter tech, metal drive rollers for smooth wire feeding, and the capability to weld incredibly thick half-inch steel plate, but it also has 4 features that make it perfect for a job like this. First thing I really like about the MIG 250, obviously, is the power, baby. This thing is the real deal, the most powerful MIG machine Eastwood offers. It could go up to 250 amps, hence the name, MIG 250, and at the full 250 amps, you get a solid 60% duty cycle. So you can weld that really thick material, and you can pretty much weld it to your heart's content. Now, the second thing I like about the MIG 250 is just because you can weld with what feels like the power of the sun here, it doesn't mean that this welder isn't capable of being nimble and agile. It welds just as well at the lower settings. I recently used this to plug some holes in the frame of my CB750 project with 20 gauge metal, and this machine worked like a champ for that. I also used it to weld up a new rear section of my seat pan. That was 20 gauge again, and of course, the MIG 250 gave me no issues. In fact, this welder has an incredibly impressive 100% duty cycle at anything less than 194 amps. That's crazy. That means you could weld 3 1/8-inch steel indefinitely as long as you have the gas for it. Really impressive stuff out of this welder. Thirdly, I really like that this does not require a special 240 volt outlet to weld. Now, you will need a 240 outlet to unlock the full potential of the MIG 250, but this machine comes with a standard 120 volt wall outlet adapter. That allows you to weld regardless of your situation. If you don't want to spend the extra cash on a 240 outlet for the garage, or if you're just waiting for your electrician to come and put it in, you could still be up and running. Or if you're going over to a buddy's house, to the job site, or at the track, they don't have a 240 outlet there, you'll be able to weld regardless. Fourth major point for the MIG 250 here is you have to consider the price. This is going to run you right around $1,000, and that is fantastic bang for the buck. You're getting a powerful machine. I mean, honestly, I love the power that this thing can provide, but how many cars actually utilize half-inch thick steel plates? Not many out there. So this will always have you covered as far as capability goes. And as far as reliability, we back this with a no-hassle 3-year warranty and a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. Try it out. You don't like this thing? Send it right back to us for a full refund. But we're confident you're going to want to keep it. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there that you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the MIG 250 link below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.